Today we are starting with a new chapter, that is chapter number 4, linear equations in two variables. Here first we will study about linear equations. So you have to know about linear here first. So linear here means whose degree is 1, and a linear polynomial means an expression which consists of constant and variables combined with any mathematical operations. It can be plus, minus, division sign or multiplication sign. And with degree 1 means a polynomial should have degree 1. Then only it is known as linear polynomial. Now, if we equate a linear polynomial with any constant, then it becomes a linear equation. For example, you can see here 2x plus 5 is equals to 0, or you can write 3y minus 2x is equals to 0, and so on. These are the few examples I have taken for linear equations. Then come to the topic, that is linear equation in two variables. This is the name of our chapter also. So now you can see here that if a linear equation consists of two variables, then that is known as linear equation in two variable. For example, you can see here that 2x plus 4y equals to 0 is considered to be linear equation in two variables, as this equation have degree 1 and is being equated with some constant also, so that's why it is a linear equation, and it consists of two variables also. So that means it is the example of linear equation in two variables. Similarly, you can take another example, that is z plus t is equals to 8. Another can be 3x plus 5z plus 6 is equals to 0, and so on. You can write it. Then you can write the general form of linear equation in two variables, that is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Now on basis of this general form and on basis of these definitions and examples, we are doing some more examples. So example number 1 is, write each of the following equations in the form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. So question number 1 is, 2x plus 3y is equals to 4.37. First, we'll arrange the given equation according to general form, and that means we can write it as 2x plus 3y minus 4.37 is equals to 0, and then we compare it with ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. That means we are comparing it with our general form. Now after comparison, you can see that value of a will be 2, value of b will be 3, c will be minus 4.37. Now come to second part of the question, that is x minus 4 is equals to root 3y. After rearranging, we get that x minus root 3y minus 4 is equals to 0. That means we have just shifted our root 3y to the another side, and then we have rearranged it. And then after comparing it with ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, we get the value of a, b and c. That is a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus root 3, c is equals to minus 4. Then come to next part, that is third part. Question is 4 is equals to 5x minus 3y. In this again rearrange it first. After rearrangement, we will get as 5x minus 3y minus 4 is equals to 0. Now after comparison with ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, we get that value of a will be 5, value of b will be minus 3 and c will be minus 4. Then come to fourth part. that is 2x is equals to y. After rearrangement, we get that 2x minus y is equals to 0. And after comparing it with ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, we will get the values of a, b and c. These are a is equals to 2, b is equals to minus 1, c is equals to 0, as constant term is not here in the equation. Then come to example number 2, that is, write each of the following as an equation in two variables. So first part is x is equals to minus 5. Now here it can be written as x plus 5 is equals to 0. That means minus 5 has been shifted to the LHS. Now further it can be written as 1 into x plus 0 into y plus 5 is equals to 0. So this is the proper form of the linear equation in two variables. Then come to second part, that is y is equals to 2. It can be written as y minus 2 is equals to 0, and it can be further written as 0 into x plus 1 into y minus 2 is equals to 0. Next is 2x is equals to 3. It can be written as 2x minus 3 is equals to 0, and further it can be written as 2x plus 0 into y minus 3 is equals to 0. Then fourth part is 5y is equals to 2. It can be written as 5y minus 2 is equals to 0. Then further it can be written as 0 into x plus 5y minus 2 is equals to 0. Then come to next example, that is, we have to find 4 different solutions of the equation x plus 2y is equals to 6. Now by hit and trial method we can find it. So first we are putting in the equation x as 0. Then we'll get it as it can be written as 0 plus 2y is equals to 6. Now value of y will be 3 from here. So our first solution is x is equals to 0, then y is equals to 3. Next is when x is equals to 2. Then we will get it as 2 plus 2y is equals to 6. Now value of y is coming as 2 from here. So our next solution is x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 2. Then come to third one, that is x is equals to 4. If we put x is equals to 4 here, then we'll get our value of y from here, and that is y is equals to 1. So when x is equals to 4, then y will be equals to 1. Then come to next part, next solution, that is, if we put x is equals to 6, then we are getting y as 0. So our solution will be when x is equals to 6, then y is equals to 0. Now come to another example. Example number 4. Check whether root 3 comma 3 root 3 is the solution of x minus 2y is equals to minus 5 root 3. Now for checking, we will first solve the equation sidewise. First, we'll solve our LHS. LHS is x minus 2y. Now, in our LHS, we will put the value of x from the given point and y from the given point. So, value of x is root 3 and value of y is 3 root 3 from the given point. Now, after solving, you can see that value is coming as minus 5 root 3. Similarly, you can see in the RHS that in RHS also value is minus 5 root 3 only. So we can say that LHS is equals to RHS. Hence, root 3 comma 3 root 3 is the solution of the given equation. Then come to next example, that is example number 5. Find k if x is equals to 3, y is equals to 2 is the solution of 2x plus y is equals to k. As x is equals to 3, y is equals to 2 is the solution, so it will satisfy the equation given to us. So we can write the value of x and y in the given equation. After writing the value of x and y in the given equation, we will get the equation as 6 plus 2 is equals to k. That means value of k is coming as 8 from here. Now like this, on the basis of these examples, you will be able to solve the exercise 4.1 and exercise 4.2 from NCERT. So your assignment is to complete exercise 4.1 and exercise 4.2. If there is any doubt, then you can take after solving it.